Okay guys, I'm back with my recording. Sorry about that. It's just not what your business about. I can't move at all. I cannot press anything at all. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Oh my god. From Block Sunset, bro. Finally, I can move. Okay guys, so I'm here. And now I'm gonna check out the evidence that's going on right now. Y'all guys can see I'm lagging a little bit, a bit lag. You may have to